this is the new video which we are going to discussion about in the live chat. So this is the video about the MCQ questions of the ninth class geography subject. So these are the MCQs of chapter first India size and location, and these are the important MCQs which are only MCQs that can be asked in any form. So let us start our MCQ, and you have to give your answer in the live chat or the comment box. So please give your answer as soon as possible. A piece of land surrounded by water on all sides is called. If there is a piece of land and it is surrounded by water, then it is called. So this is the definition, and a term is used for this definition is. Give your answer in live chat or comment box. So this is the island. Now island means a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. For example, the Lakshadweep island. So Lakshadweep is an island. So anyone can ask about the Lakshadweep, what it is called and why. So Lakshadweep is called as an island because it is surrounded by water from all sides. Next is the second question. In which of the following places would you find the least difference in the duration between daytime and nighttime? So there are three places which are given in the option, in which one place is correct, in which the time difference between the day and night is very less. So the place is Kanyakumari. In Kanyakumari, the difference between the day duration and night duration is very less. So it is the Kanyakumari. Next is the third question. It is very interesting question. India is located in the blank in the world map. So you have to tell about the position of the India in the world map. So there are four position given as the option and one is correct. Type your answer. Now India is centrally located on the world map. So the position of India in the world map is center. Next is a very common question but very important question. The capital of Mizoram is, so there are four capitals given and one of the capital is the capital of Mizoram. So the capital is Aizawl. So the state of Mizoram has the capital Aizawl. Next is the fourth question. The Greenwich Observatory is located in. The Greenwich Observatory is located in, from the four options, which are the places. Type your answer. So the Greenwich Observatory is located in London, and the Greenwich Meridian gets its name from it. So the Greenwich Observatory name has been related to the Greenwich Meridian, and it located in London. Next is the fifth question. India constitute what percentage of the world's land? So from the world total land, how many part of land India constitute or India contain? So how many percent? Type your answer as A, B, C or D option. So you can take less time to type. So the answer is 2.4. India accounts for 2.4% of the world's land, and yet it supports and sustains 16.9% of the world's population. Means India have total land 2.4% of the world, but from the total population, the India contains 16.9% of the population. So next is sixth question. Which line divides India into approximately two equal parts? This is the basic question we studied in the sixth class. So there are three lines which are given as the option, in which one is correct. Type your answer. So the Tropic of Cancer, which divides India into approximately two parts. So it is that line that divides India into two parts. Tropic of Cancer is a very common but important topic, and if I suggestion you, then you should read it very carefully and deeply. Next is the capital of Odisha. So you have to learn about the state capital, and it is very important for you in political and geography also. So the capital of Odisha is, these are the four options. Type your answer. Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar is the capital of state Odisha. Next is the seventh question. Which state lies on the windward side of Garo Khasi Hills? So there are four states in which one of the state lies on the windward side of Garo Khasi Hills. Type your answer as soon as possible. So this is the Meghalaya. Meghalaya is the state lies on the windward side of the Garo Khasi Hills and receives the highest average rainfall in the world. So we can give the reason why Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall. So the reason is that the Meghalaya lies on the windward side of the Garo Khasi Hills, and the wind spilled to the hills and do high rainfall in the state. Next is the eighth question. Where is the Malabar coast? So there are the four state in which one coast lies the Malabar coast. Type your answer. So this is the a very deeply information has given to you. So India's southwest coast lies in the narrow coastal plain of Karnataka. जो इंडिया की जो साउथ वेस्ट कोस्ट है वो लाइज करती है जो नैरो कोस्टल प्लेन है कर्नाटका और केरला स्टेट के बिटवीन द वेस्टर्न घाट एंड अरेबियन सी के. इट्स रन फ्रॉम द साउथ ऑफ गोवा टू केप कोमरिन ऑन साउथ इंडियन टिप्स. Means it is lies on the both of the state Karnataka and Kerala. So these are the four options. Two options, both of the options are correct. So Kavati is the headquarter of. There are four places, or we can say one of the two union territories and two states. So in which Kavati is the headquarter of, from which, so Kavati is the headquarter of the union territory of Lakshadweep. So we can say easily that the union territories have mainly regarded as quarter, not capital. Next is the ninth question. By which geographical feature is India bounded in the northwest, south, northern, east? Means there is a geographical feature that is common in northwest, north and northeast. So what is the common feature? Type your answer by saying the options which is correct according to you. So India is bounded by young fold mountains. In the northwest, north and northeast, India is bounded by young fold mountains, which is common geographical feature in these sides. Next is the 10th question. The headquarter of Andaman and Nicobar Island. We have done the Kwarti is the headquarter of. So what is the headquarter of Andaman and Nicobar Island? So we all know Kavati is the headquarter of Lakshadweep. So remaining three, one of the option is correct. So the Port Blair is the headquarter of the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Next question is question number 11. Which geographical feature bounds India's mainland south of 22° north latitude? See the options and give your answer. So the in 22 degree north latitude, ocean bounds India mainland south of 22 degree north latitude. Next is the 12th question. The rays of the sun fall directly on the Tropic of Cancer on. So there are some dates which are given as the options in which one is correct. On that day, the rays of the sun fall directly on the Tropic of Cancer. So the answer is the rays of the sun fall directly or vertically on the Tropic of Cancer on 21st June. This is the very common question that you should know, but this is the question that are asked on common exams like clerical related jobs and other government exam. Next is the earth surface between, this is the question number 12. The earth surface between 23.5 degree north and 23.5 degree north is called the. So there are four zones that are given as the option in which the 23.5 degree north and 23.5 degree south lies. So the option is tropical zone. Latitude 23.5 degree north is called the Tropic of Cancer and latitude 23.5 degree south is called the Tropic of Capricorn. The region between these two latitudes is called the tropical zone. Means when we start from Tropic of Cancer and go to the Tropic of Capricorn, the between these two lines the region is called tropical zone. Next is the 13th question. Which country among the India's neighbor is the smallest? So from these are the neighbor of India in which the one of the country is smallest. So the answer is Bhutan. Bhutan is the smallest neighboring country of India. Next is the question number 14th. The latitudinal extent of India lies between. I think these are the common questions, and when you read these questions, you should reply as soon as possible because these are the questions you have read recently in the classes. So the answer is the latitudinal extent of India lies between 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north. Next is the question number 15th. The angular distance between north or south from the equator is called. Means the angular distance between the north or south from the equator is called. So what it is called, a term is used for this definition. So this is called latitude. The angular distance north or south of the equator is called latitude. There are imaginary lines drawn on maps and globes. So these are the lines which are made by the human beings for his easiness and make simple. Next is the question number 16th. Which of the following is the oldest route of contact between India and other countries of the world? Means from these three routes, one of the route is the oldest, that is used from longer, and it is the oldest route of contact between India and its neighboring countries or other countries. So it is the ocean route because land routes and air route are developed later and the ocean route is used from the ancient history of India. So the ocean route is correct option. The standard meridian of India is. Tell your answer fastly because it is a common question. So the answer is latitude 82 degree 30 minute east passes almost centrally through India and is therefore our standard meridian. Standard meridians at the time of India. Next is the question number 18th. Which is the smallest state in India? So from all these four states, one of the state is the smallest state of India. So give your option. Goa. Goa is the smallest state in India, located in southwest India. So anyone of can you ask that in what is the location of Goa in the India map? So it is located in the southwest India. It is a question related to the our common sense. My pen friends hail from a country that is not a part of SARC. Which of these countries would that be? So there is a country which is not a part of SARC, that is the association. So which of the country from them is not the part of SARC? Singapore. So Singapore is not the part of SARC, and the India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Maldives together form SARC. So we can say that these are the countries which are the founding member or founder of the SARC, and Singapore is not a part of SARC. So these are the only countries which are the member of SARC. Next is the question number 19th. A piece of land separated from the main continent by a natural land barrier is called. If a country is naturally by a natural incident separating from its main continent, then this piece of land is called. So the answer is the subcontinent. A subcontinent, what is the term subcontinent defined? So a subcontinent means a piece of land separated from the main continent by a natural land barrier, for example India. Next is the question number 20th. The Indus drains into the blanks through blank. Means Indus is a river which drains into the which sea or which part of a sea through which place. So the option is the river Indus originates from Tibet, passes through India, enters Pakistan, and drains into the Arabian Sea. So which of the option is correct? Second, Arabian Sea. The Indus drains into the Arabian Sea. Means it is the last position of Indus is Arabian Sea, and it passes through the Pakistan. The earth is divided into the eastern and western hemispheres by the earth is divided into two parts, eastern and western hemisphere. Which line divides the earth into these two parts? So the option is the Greenwich Meridian is an imaginary line that cuts through the poles and result in the formation of the eastern and western hemisphere. This is the Greenwich Meridian line. Next is the question number 21. India is connected to Europe through the. So from which means India is connected to Europe. So the means of connecting to the Europe of India is the Suez Canal and the Cape of Good Hope connect India to Europe and North and South America. So from these two, Suez Canal is given in the option, so it is the correct. And if we define it deeply, then the Suez Canal and the Cape of Good Hope, both of them connect India to Europe and North and South America. Next is the question number 22. Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram and Nagaland have common frontiers with. Means these are the states which connect with which country. Means there is a common country which is connected to the Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram and Nagaland. So the option is Myanmar. So Myanmar is connecting, or the border of Myanmar is connected to these states: Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram and Nagaland. These states have common frontiers with Myanmar on its western border. So Myanmar is connected to these states by its western border. Next is the question number 23. The difference in the duration of day and night increases from. So the option is south to north. The difference in the duration of day and night increases from the south to north. If we go from south direction to the north direction, then the duration of day and night increases. It is about 45 minutes at Kanyakumari and over 4 hours in the north of Kashmir. So it is the difference that is telling that Kanyakumari is in the last in the south direction, and what is the difference? 45 minutes, and Kashmir is in the north, so it is the difference 4 hours. So when we go from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, then the difference is increases. Next is the question number 24. The longitude passing approximately centrally through a country is used to record the. When a longitude passing approximately centrally through a country is used to, if a longitude is passing from a country by its center, then it is used for what record? So it is record to the local standard time. Means if any longitude is passing through the center of the any country, then it is used and useful for recording a local standard time, and it is called the prime standard meridian of the India. And you know that the standard meridian is passing from the center of the India. It is 82 degree 30 minute. So thank you very much. These are the questions, and I hope you understand every question very well. And please see the description box in which we have given our group WhatsApp group link, and you can join and get the PDF of every video that we are uploaded on the channel. And please see the comment box in which we can give you extra information about the video. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you again.